What's going on, everybody? And welcome to this episode of DIY Repairs. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace the turn signal on a 2012 Volkswagen Passat. Stay tuned. Alright everybody, so let's say you're riding along in your car. You go to make a right-hand turn or a left-hand turn, and your turn signal starts flashing. That's not my turn signal, that's actually my wipers. Your turn signal starts flashing really fast like that. That's a sign that one of your turn signal bulbs is actually blown. As you can see, the left side is flashing normally. You look at the right, flashing really fast. So that's a sign that one of the bulbs on the right hand side is actually blown. Another nifty thing that you'll get in the Volkswagen Passat, you'll get a readout on a center display right there that'll actually tell you that which side is blown as well. So what I'm going to do now is show you how to replace that bulb. Alright, so we're on the right side of the car now, and as you can see, the front right bulb is flashing normally. But if you go back here to the rear is not flashing at all. So I'm going to show you real quick how to change that bulb. Okay, so located inside of your trunk, you have a flap. Pull the flap away, and you're going to see right there, you have a set screw and you have the wires. Alright, so what you want to do is disconnect the harness first, and then after you disconnect this wire, you can screw this set screw and it will release the light fixture on the outside. So bear with me 1 second as I pull the harness out. Okay, so I have the wire removed. The way you remove this wire, if I can get this thing to focus, there we go. The way to remove this wire, you press down on this little black retaining clip right here. This will release the harness, and then you can pull it from this fixture. Now what you want to do is unscrew that and hold the light fixture on the outside so it doesn't fall and hit the ground. But you're going to unscrew that and remove the light fixture. Alright, so now that I have the screw out, the light fixture just came right out. So now we want to get in here and get to the bulb. So in order to get to the bulb, you have to release these retaining clips around the gray piece, and then you can get inside and get to the bulb. But basically, to release the clips, all you have to do is pull away like that, and then you can release the clip. So you're going to do that all the way around. So bear with me while I do that. Alright, so now that you have those clips removed, you can just pull this gray piece away. You want to be careful though not to break connection with these wires here, because if you break connection with that, you're going to have a bigger problem on your hands. So once you remove the fixture, this is where your bulb is going to be sitting. I'm going to replace this bulb with a Sylvania 7506 bulb. They're not paying me to endorse this product by any means, but this is a bulb that I picked up from my local vendor. So we're going to take this bulb, we're going to install it in the unit. The way to remove this bulb, excuse me, the way to remove this bulb, you just grab it and you give it a turn, and it'll come right out of the unit. Alright, so we got our new bulb. We're just going to sit it right inside the unit. Give it a turn to lock it in place. Now it's locked in place. Now, to put it back, you just work in reverse. So you take the gray part, fit it into place, and then you're going to go around and snap it back into position on all these clips. Alright, so we got everything back into the housing. Now you're going to pick up the housing and fit it back into the vehicle, like so. And then once you get it back in there, while you're holding it so it doesn't fall back out and shatter, you're going to sit and you're going to screw the this screw back into position so it holds it. Alright, so you got the screw put back in. Now I'm just going to take the connector, putting it back into its position. It's going to snap. There you go. And then you'll push the red tab back in. They'll secure it as well. So now we're good. Now we're going to go in and test it to make sure that we got it fixed. Alright, as you can see, the turn signal is flashing like normal. Just like the left side, the right side is flashing like normal. And if you go back to the back of the vehicle, you see now that we have a rear turn signal. So I hope this video helped any of y'all out there who are trying to replace your turn signal on your 2012 Passat. Keep checking back for more material that I'm going to be putting in the future. Thanks for hanging out. Y'all have a good one.